If you've ever tried to play an HEVC or H.265 video and found it wouldn't open properly on your device, you're not alone. While HEVC is efficient and delivers great quality at smaller file sizes, not all players and devices support it. The simplest fix is to convert your video to H.264, a format that's compatible almost everywhere. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that for free using Handbrake. Handbrake is an open source video converter that makes file conversion simple and reliable. Start by launching the Handbrake application on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it for free from the official Handbrake website. Once opened, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface designed to make the process easy, even if you're new to video conversion. Let's begin by loading your HEVC video file. You can do this in two ways. Either click File at the top left and browse to your video, or drag and drop the file directly into the Handbrake window. Once your video is loaded, you'll see basic information about it appear in the program. Next, go to the Summary tab. Here, you'll choose your output format. Handbrake lets you pick between MP4 and MKV containers. Both works well, but MP4 is generally more compatible across platforms like phones, browsers, and media players. For most people, MP4 is the best choice. Now, click on the Video tab. This is where you'll set the new video codec. From the drop-down menu labeled Video Codec, select H.264x264. This step is the core of the conversion, as it changes the video from the HEVC format to the widely supported H.264 standard. H.264 is known for maintaining high video quality while keeping file sizes manageable. It's the format used by YouTube, most mobile devices, and nearly all streaming platforms, so converting to this format ensures maximum compatibility. If you'd like, you can also adjust a few settings here. Options like frame rate, bitrate, and resolution allow you to fine-tune your output. If you're not sure what to choose, Handbrake's built-in presets are a great starting point. You'll find them listed on the right side of the window. These presets are optimized for common uses, such as fast 1080p 30. Which provides an excellent balance between quality and speed. Once you're happy with your settings, it's time to decide where to save your converted video. At the bottom of the window, you'll see a Save As or Destination field. Click Browse, then choose the folder where you want the new video to go. You can also rename the file if you'd like, so you can easily tell it apart from the original. With everything set, click the Start Encode button at the top. Handbrake will now begin converting your HEVC video to H.264. The time it takes depends on your computer's processing power and the length of your video, but Handbrake is efficient and usually completes the task quickly. When it's done, navigate to your chosen destination folder and open the new file to check the results. You'll now have a fully compatible H.264 version of your video that plays smoothly on virtually any device or platform. And that's it. You've successfully converted your HEVC H.265 file to the more universal H.264 format using Handbrake, completely free and without any complicated steps.